Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and unedited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our Patreon. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of shoplifting, trespassing, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and being under the influence, and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
You guys all right?
Yeah, she just had a little to drink.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have somewhere to go tonight?
What was that?
You had somewhere to go tonight?
Yeah, her husband's here.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm just going home, that's all.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good. Come on, baby.
Whoa, whoa.
Around 12:59 a.m. on January 12, 2025, Patrolman Francesco Metta with the Red Bank Police Department responded to a disturbance involving a heavily intoxicated female in the parking lot behind Better Housekeeping Shop. As he arrived on scene, he observed the female fall over as her husband came to take responsibility for her. She did not seem to understand the officer's instructions, and she pushed her husband in front of the officer.
I'm gonna be out with two in front of behind Better Housekeeping White Street lot.
No, I haven't.
What's going on? You guys have an argument?
No, nobody's
23, can you flat over there?
just trying to get her home, that's all.
Oh, good.
It's all good.
Tempo, where's you at?
Come on.
Behind Better Housekeeping, 10-4.
Go!
Come on.
Go!
Ma'am, you got ID on you?
I got her ID. She's
All right. No, you're not good to go yet. You're not good to go. No, you're not good to go yet. You're not good because you're not.
Why?
Because I got to figure out what's going on here.
I'm going
and
to
make
take
sure.
her home. That's my wife.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You're stop walking away. You're going to be placed under arrest. You're not free to go. Because you guys are. Stop pushing him. Stop pushing him. You are pushing him. Relax. No, you're not going. Listen, don't make this something that doesn't have to be.
Well, what are you making it
Because
a big
I'm
deal
doing
for?
my
We're
job.
going-
Because I'm doing my job. Sit down. Yo, sit down on the. No. Whoa. Sit down, but you're going to be placed under arrest. Sit down. Sit down and back up. Back up.
Don't touch
Back
me.
up. Back up. Sit down. Sit down on the curb.
Don't push me.
Because you guys need to sit down. Stop. Stop. Sit down on the curb.
Step over here. Just talk.
Sit down on the curb.
Bring her
What
home.
do you want from me?
I want you to sit down on the curb.
Just right here. Come over here. Just talk.
Just relax and sit down.
I don't have my purpose with me, so I don't know what to help you with.
You just gotta relax.
I understand that.
Sit down on the
Patrolman Metta asked the woman for her identification, but she hid him. At this point, the woman was placed under arrest.
curb. Stop touching me.
Yo, fuck you, because I can punch you right now. Yo,
You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Disorderly. Stop it, yo. Stop. We do not. Stop. Just relax. You can't hit a cop for no reason.
yo, fuck
And you're pushing your husband. You have to.
is a pussy, bro.
It doesn't matter. It's you gotta relax.
Fuck.
Just sir, back up, please. Before we don't want to escalate this into something that doesn't have to be. Just back up. I know. You got it. Stop resisting, man.
Doing? Stop. Just stop. Just stop. Stop it.
I am
Stop.
fine.
No, you're not.
I am fine.
Stop pushing into us, please.
All I'm doing is trying to turn around. It's so normal.
Well, you're under arrest, so you need to stop.
Because that nigga's this pussy.
Okay.
And fuck you.
Just make sure these are tight. Stop moving.
your own.
Well, I don't know why you're... Stop resisting. Just stop resisting.
Okay.
Stop pushing back.
I ain't pushing shit.
You are. You're trying to push up the car. Stop.
No, that's you. I think that they're pushing.
What is wrong? I can't even get it.
It's okay. Just get that sleeve out of there so she can't slip it. Come on. Stop. I want to hurt you. So stop pushing in. They're going to hurt your arm.
Don't you kick me. That's going to be a bad day for you. Don't do that.
Okay, let's get a little aggressive.
Stop pushing in. Just stop pushing into us.
You get the fuck off of me!
Yeah.
You little pussy!
You good? They're just not going to be able to flip that? Okay. Alright. Stop pushing into us. You're going in the car.
What are you doing?
Just stop. Just stop. You're going in the car.
What you doing? You wanna fuck me, nigga?
Just relax.
I was just trying. Listen, I was trying to get her. That's it. I was just trying to tell him I tried to get her in the car.
All right, I got you. When she's going hands on with you though, I can't just let you walk away.
I understand.
You know what I mean?
Fine. I understand. All I wanted to do was just go home. That's all I wanted.
I understand,
to do.
but before I let you guys go, I have to make sure it's not going to be an ongoing issue.
It's not.
And that there's no argument and there was no prior incident.
I'm with you. I get it.
Okay.
Trust me. Yes.
You know what I mean? We're trying to give you the benefit of the doubt because I see what you're dealing with, but you can't start hitting us or hitting you.
With our friends too. They're in that
I
car. They
understand.
were trying to help me just get her. You saw.
That's why I walked over to help her out, but she can't start pushing you and then falling like.
It's okay.
It could lead, if it leads to something down the road, it's on us.
I understand.
What's your name, sir?
Can I give you my license?
Yeah, please. Thanks.
You want her license too? I have it in my pocket.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Can I get it out?
Yeah, absolutely.
Could I get?
That's fine, man.
You're good.
You understand, man. I just want to go home safe.
Me too. At the end of the day, that's what I want to do too.
There's nothing else happened prior. She drank too much and.
Dude, I swear that's all it is.
Yeah.
I saw it is. Yeah. That's it.
You want me to drop him down for you?
I got it.
I tried to tell her, listen, the cops are going to come. Don't make a big scene. And he, I think you pulled up, right?
Yeah.
And then you pulled up.
Yeah.
And that was it.
Where are you guys coming from tonight?
Teak. We were right at Teak. Yeah.
Okay.
She just drank too much?
She just had a couple too much.
Truck coming.
It's running right there, the white one. Okay. Yeah, it's running.
Your friends in the car right now waiting for
Here,
you?
right there, yeah.
All right. I'm gonna keep her ID. She's gonna come down with us.
Where could I go?
Police station's right there. That big building. See the two lights on up top across the street? The four-story building.
Give me a moment.
It's right there. So, all right.
Okay. We're in the middle of something right now.
Disorderly.
So they were just.
She was yelling over there. I walked up to see if she was all right. He stormed up right past me. She stands up, like pushes him away. She falls in that little ditch there, that little L-shaped thing.
Yeah.
Helps her up. She pushes him. I'm like, okay. And then she pushes him again here. And I'm like, all right, that's enough. Like, stop. Like, I'm IDing you. And then she tried to go hands on with me. I don't know what her deal is. I think she just drank too much. But yeah, he was trying to do the right thing. But once she kept pushing, I was like, all right, I gotta at least ID them and make sure there's nothing happened prior to this.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thanks, guys. Thanks, Dan.
The woman's husband provided the officers with his identification as well as her identification, and she was identified as Adriana. Adriana was transported to the Red Bank Police Department for further processing.
6 headquarters. I'll be en route with a female, 41, starting miles 29187.2. 29187.2.
Copy.
Please what? We're going back to the police station right now, and then just relax, all right? Just relax.
No.
Listen,
Tell me that you're gonna
listen. Right now, you're under arrest. You're gonna go. You're gonna wind up going. You're gonna go down to the hospital too. Okay.
Tell me, bro. Please, bro, can I just drop my fucking kid?
Ending 29187.5. Close it. Close it again. On. All right, relax, because we're not going to take you out of here and start fighting with you.
She was charged with the following: aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer to see 12-1B5, throwing bodily fluid at a law enforcement officer to see 12-13, resisting arrest to see 29-2A1, and disorderly conduct to see 33-2A1.
All right, step out. Step out.
Can I just tell my friend?
Just relax. Just whoa, chill out, because we don't want you to get hurt. If you fall, you're gonna hit your face. Chill out. Stop resisting. You are resisting. Now relax.